Ladies, get ready to set sail on the sea of
diabetes
with orange.
And
orange.
this episode, we'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
That's
stupid.
fast, but let's give it a shot. Step 1, poop like a Rubik's Cube.
Poop like a Rubik's Cube? How exactly are you gonna do that, Orange? Step 2, focus on completing
over 9,000
side of the Rubik's Cube.
Are you kidding me?
Go ahead and take out your frustrations by blowing up the Rubik's Cube with TNT.
Oral!
If you sprinkle holy water on a Rubik's Cube, it hisses at you.
Oh, hello, yeah! That is true!
Yep, and inside each Rubik's Cube is a tiny...
diabetes.
I give up.
That's the spirit. Hey, give up and get a different hobby.
What?
Pear, Rubik's Cubes are impossible. Admit it. No